In our 6th grade class, we worked on formulas, but we worked on formulas using just numbers. Now, as a quick review, I'm going to click where my answer goes, and now I need to tell this cell that it's about to do a calculation, so I'm going to type in the equal sign. The easiest way I've found is to take your mouse and click on the first cell that you'd like to put in the formula. I'll use Shift 8, which is the asterisk, and this is going to allow me to create a formula to multiply the numbers. I'm then going to click in the second cell containing the number that I want to use. Now before I go anywhere else, I'm going to press enter to complete that formula. The answer is contained in this cell, and then right up here in your formula bar you can see the actual formula. Now the reason that we're going to use cell references or cell names instead of just typing in numbers is because if there is a possibility that the number will change, this formula is not going to have to be updated. So if I want to instead change this to 25 and press enter, it automatically updated that number for me. Now you're probably wondering why I have all of your names listed in this Excel sheet. Now sometimes you have information in 2 different columns, but you would like to combine it into one. We're going to create a formula to go ahead and combine those, and it takes a lot of the legwork out. So instead of double clicking to get inside here, highlighting, going to copy, double click over here, paste, double click copy, double click paste. Notice how long that took just for one name. So I'm going to get rid of that, and we're going to write a formula that will do all of that work for me. So of course, since it's a formula, I'm going to press in the equal sign, and I'm going to click in the first cell that I want to use. For this, we're going to use what's called the ampersand, or Shift 7. You probably know it as the and sign. Now, if we just click on the second cell that we want to use and press enter, it's going to put those in there, but there's not going to be a space in there. So, I'm going to go ahead and start over, click where my answer goes, type in the equal sign, the first cell reference, type in the ampersand, and then I'm going to put in a quotation mark, and I need to add a space in there, so I'm going to use the space bar and then end quotation mark. Now I need to continue the formula, and I'm going to use that ampersand again. Click in the second cell that I want to use, so it's equal sign to start off the formula, the first cell, ampersand, quotation mark to say I want to add this space in here, end quotation mark, ampersand, and then the second cell. So now before I do anything else, before I click on anywhere else, I want to press enter. Okay, now granted that took me some time to actually write the formula, but in the long run it's going to save me a lot of time. Because watch, if I bring my arrow to the bottom right hand corner of this cell containing the formula, if I double click, it will automatically copy that one formula to the rest of the cells in that column. So it took me 2 minutes to write that formula, if that, and saved me gobs of time. Think about how long it would have taken me to copy and paste all of those. So Excel is one of those programs that if you really delve into it and look into what exactly it can do, it can save you a lot of time.